As a project management expert, I'm often asked to evaluate software that promises to streamline workflows and boost team productivity. One such tool that has gained traction in recent years is Nifty. With its all-in-one proposition, Nifty aims to consolidate various project management functionalities into a single platform. But how do you, as a discerning project manager or a team looking to optimize, truly analyze Nifty software to determine if it's the right fit for your unique needs? Analyzing any project management software, including Nifty, isn't just about looking at a feature list. It's about a strategic evaluation that aligns the tool's capabilities with your team's specific pain points, workflows, and future goals. Here's a structured approach to analyzing Nifty software, making it easy for anyone to understand and apply. Step 1. Define your needs and pain points. Before you even open Nifty, sit down with your team and clearly articulate what you need in a project management tool. What are your current frustrations? What's slowing you down? What kind of projects do you manage? Are they short-term creative campaigns, complex software development cycles, ongoing client services, or something else? What are your core project management processes? How do you currently plan, execute, monitor, and close projects? What are your biggest pain points with your current tools, or lack thereof? Is it communication silos, missed deadlines, difficulty tracking progress, poor file management, or a lack of clarity on who is doing what? What features are absolute must-haves? E.g., Gantt charts, Kanban boards, time tracking, client collaboration, reporting. What's your team size and how is it structured? Are you a small, agile team or a large, departmentalized organization? What's your budget? This will significantly narrow down options later. Documenting these needs will give you a clear scorecard against which to evaluate Nifty. Step 2. Explore Nifty's core features and how they map to your needs. Nifty positions itself as an all-in-one solution. Let's delve into its key features and how to assess them against your defined needs. Task management. Nifty offers various views: list, Kanban, timeline/Gantt, swim lane, calendar, to manage tasks. Analyze. Does your team prefer visual Kanban boards for workflow, detailed lists for precise tracking, or Gantt charts for timeline visualization and dependencies? Can Nifty's task features, subtasks, checklists, priorities, custom fields, handle the complexity of your tasks? How intuitive is it to assign tasks, set due dates, and track progress? Milestones and roadmaps. Nifty emphasizes milestone-driven progress. Analyze. Do your projects rely on key milestones? Does Nifty's roadmap feature provide the level of strategic oversight you need? Can you easily link tasks to milestones and see progress against them? Collaboration and communication. Nifty integrates discussions and team chat. Analyze. How does Nifty's built-in chat compare to your current communication tools? Slack, Teams? Does it effectively centralize project-related discussions? Can you easily tag team members, share files, and keep conversations tied to specific tasks or projects? Look for features like file proofing for creative teams. Document management and file sharing. Nifty includes docs and files sections. Analyze. Can you easily create, upload, and organize project documents? Does it integrate well with existing tools like Google Docs or Microsoft 365? Is version control clear? Time tracking and reporting. Nifty offers time tracking and customizable reports. Analyze. Is time tracking crucial for billing clients or resource allocation? How granular is it? Can Nifty generate the types of reports you need to track project health, team workload, and budget adherence? Are reports easy to customize and share? Workflows and automation. Nifty allows custom workflows and some automation. Analyze. Can you set up custom stages for your tasks that mirror your actual processes? Are there automation rules, e.g., when a task moves to done, notify the project manager, that can reduce manual effort for your team? Step 3. Assess usability and user experience, UX. Even the most feature-rich software is useless if people don't use it. Ease of onboarding. How quickly can new team members learn to navigate Nifty? Are there good tutorials, templates, and self-help resources? Intuitive interface. Is the layout clean and easy to understand? Can you find what you need without excessive clicking? Look for drag-and-drop functionality and customizable dashboards. Mobile experience. Does Nifty offer robust mobile apps, iOS/Android, if your team needs to work on the go? How do they compare to the desktop experience? The best way to assess this is through Nifty's free trial. Get your core team members to use it on a small, real project for a week or two. Pay attention to their feedback. Step 4. Consider integrations and ecosystem. No single tool lives in a vacuum. Project management software often needs to connect with other applications your team uses daily. Existing tools. Does Nifty integrate with your communication tools? Slack, Zoom, file storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, CRM, or development tools, GitHub? API availability. If native integrations aren't enough, does Nifty have an open API that allows for custom connections via tools like Zapier? This provides greater flexibility for unique workflows. Step 5. Evaluate pricing and scalability. Value for money is critical, especially for long-term commitment. Pricing tiers. Nifty offers a free plan with limited features and various paid plans, personal, pro, business, enterprise, with different pricing per member per month. Analyze. Does the free plan meet your absolute minimum needs for a trial? Which paid tier aligns best with your feature requirements and user count? Are there discounts for annual billing? Scalability. Can Nifty grow with your team and projects? Does the pricing model become prohibitive as your team expands? Does the system handle an increasing number of projects and tasks without slowing down? Pay attention to storage limits and project limits on different plans. Guest/client access. If you collaborate with external clients, how does Nifty handle guest users? Are they free, or do they count towards your paid user count? Nifty generally allows guests per paid seat, with limits based on the plan. Step 6. Review customer support and community. Even the most intuitive software will occasionally require support. Support channels. Does Nifty offer various support channels? Live chat? Email? Phone? What are their response times? Knowledge base. Is there a comprehensive help center, tutorials, and FAQs available? Community. Is there an active user community where you can find answers or share best practices? By systematically analyzing Nifty or any project management software, through these lenses, you move beyond mere impressions and engage in a data-driven evaluation. This approach ensures that your chosen tool isn't just a shiny new toy but a strategic asset that genuinely supports your team's efficiency, collaboration, and ultimate project success.